Hi everyone, my name is Pete Wisniewski and I'm the proud chair of the math department here at Villa. Let me just tell you a little bit about what we have to offer in the math department. So students are required to take 3 math courses for graduation, though the overwhelming majority of girls will take math all 4 years. They'll be taking those 4 years of math through the following sequence of courses: Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Geometry, Pre-Calculus and Trig, and then finally Calculus. Calculus is offered at both the honors and the advanced placement level, and within that, we offer AP Calc AB and BC. All of our other courses that I mentioned are offered at both the honors and the academic levels. Additionally, we offer some electives. We offer Honors Advanced Mathematical Studies to upperclassmen, Intro to Business. We offer a statistics course at both the academic and advanced placement levels. We also offer a summer honors geometry class for students that maybe want to try to accelerate through their program, get to some more advanced math courses earlier than planned, and that's typically taken the summer either going into sophomore year or junior year. In terms of course selection and freshman placement, freshmen are placed typically in either Algebra 1 or Algebra 2, depending upon whether or not they've completed a year of algebra in 8th grade. We've determined that from 2 data points: their HSPT score, as well as a recommendation that their 8th grade math teacher will share with us to determine what they have already covered and what would be the next best fit course for them in their program. Lastly, I'd like to just share with you all the calculator that we use here in the math as well as science courses at Villa. It's the TI Nspire CX2 CAS. It's a cutting-edge piece of technology, color screen, really lets a lot of the math, the visualizations come to life. I'm a big fan of this piece of technology. All students will be required to have one of these for 9th grade. If you choose to come to Villa, we do a group order, and typically I can get a nice bulk rate that way, but you can purchase this calculator however you see fit should you decide to come to Villa. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to meeting you and your daughters very soon in person.